Hello children, hope you all are in good condition. So welcome back to your English class. Today we'll do chapter 15 of your grammar book, that is conjunctions. Children, what is a conjunction? There are many linking words in English, okay? They are also called conjunctions. So a conjunction is used to join words, group of words or sentences. Some of these are and, but, because, so, as, or, okay. Now, we will learn some more conjunctions here. Read these sentences and notice how conjunctions have been used in them. In the first sentence, we can see, my sister will watch TV until mom comes. That means my sister, until my mom comes, my sister will watch TV. So, here we have used until, okay. In the second sentence, she will stop watching TV when mom comes home. So, when mom comes back home, she will stop watching the TV. So, when is used here. It tells us about a particular time. Okay. Then, in number 3, we can see, I will not go to the playground if it rains. So, like there is a condition, like if it rains I will not go out. So here we have used if. In number 4, either you come to my house or I will come to your place. So there is a choice, like either you come to my place or I will come to your place. So in these situations we can use either or. Then number 5 is, neither you nor your friends are responsible for the broken windows. Now here 2 subjects are used. The subjects are you and friends. Here none of the 2 does anything. So in that case we will use neither nor. Okay. Now children, let's have a look in this table. The following examples show what some conjunctions are used for. The examples are, both my aunt and uncle sing very well. So, used to talk about when we use both and, when 2 persons or 2 events or 2 things are used in a sentence. Okay, that case we use both and. Then, neither my aunt nor my uncle have stopped practicing. They practice every day. So here none of the 2 does something. Okay, so here we have used neither nor. They often practice until midnight. Here a particular point of time is denoted by until. So in that case we use until. See, midnight is a particular point of time. So for that we have used until. They love to sing when it rains. See children, here 2 events are happening together at the same time. So they love to sing when it rains. So 2 events are happening together, like singing and rain. Number 5, sometimes they sing for hours if friends request them to do so. So there is a condition, if their friends want them or if their friends request them to do, they can sing for hours. Okay, so in that case we will use if. Then they either sing at concerts or they have their own programs. When we talk about one thing, any one person or any one event or another, so that time we use or. Here we are talking about they either sing at concerts, okay, big shows. Concerts means big shows. So they either sing at their big shows or they have their own programs. So or will be used in this case. So children, this is all about the chapter. I want all of you to go through it, understand it and practice it. Okay, thank you.